nasty in your mouth. Ew! Ew! Orange juice! That's nasty. Ew! Ew! Orange juice! Mommy got orange juice out of her hands. What do I do? Can you wipe it off for Mommy? Thank you. Can you wipe up your tray? It's okay. It'll get dirty.
Let's go there
Ew! Ew! Orange juice! Here, finish wiping. Look at you got orange juice. Ew! Ew! Orange juice! Wipe it up! Can you wipe up your tray? We're all done eating. Wipe it up. Good job. And then you just throw it on the floor?